What's up everyone, welcome back to the Contreras review channel. And in this channel we review products and we let you decide if it's worth it or not. And today we're going to be reviewing this shoe rack that was sent to us by this brand. They were nice enough to send it so we can review, and let's get into it. I'm going to show you the rack and just the quality of it and how big it is. Let's go. All right, so we have this rack right here, the shoe rack. And as you can see, there's 4 sections. So I just want to point out, I really love about this is that you can break it down. You can either just do 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. You can even do like a little ladder where it just goes low. You can definitely do whatever you want with this rack. And you can see it's eight sections tall. Again, you can do 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever works for you. You can do that. I did the full rack, just so you can see how wide it is. But I want you to see, this thing is really light, and I'm going to show you here. I'm going to pick it up with one hand, so you can definitely see it's really light, nothing too heavy. So once you have the full rack, I don't think it's that easy for it to tip over. Obviously, if it's empty, there's nothing holding it, but once you put your shoes on here, then it'll definitely put some weight and it won't be as hard to bring it down. Now, what I was having in mind is you can also definitely use this to put other stuff in it. Now, of course, it's only for shoe. Well, it's made for shoes, but you could definitely put other things on here. Anything that's not too heavy. Again, this is kind of lightweight, so it's not made for tools. It's not made for anything too heavy, but you can definitely, put light boxes here. You can use it as a storage if you want. So that's something really cool. But I'm gonna put my shoes on here, that way you can see how it looks. So this is not what I pictured. I don't have that many shoes, but I mean, it definitely fits. Obviously, if you have boots, you can't fit them here, so you can just sit them up on this top rack. You could even fit 2 pairs if you have to in the same rack. It has plenty of room. But definitely, I personally think that this rack is really good. I personally recommend it just because you can rearrange it and do whatever you want with it. As far as building it, it does take time to build it, just because all these parts are adjustable and you can adjust it to your preference. But overall, I think it's a pretty great rack, and you can use it for storage or whatever you want to use it for. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know, I think it's really good. I don't see why someone wouldn't like it. I mean, if you're looking for a rack for your shoes, and this is definitely going to be it. Let me know what you guys think, if you think it's worth it, if you're going to buy one or not. If there's any other products you want us to check out or to make a review on, definitely let us know in the comments, and help us out with liking this video and subscribing to our channel. We're going to be having a lot of more review videos out. So without further ado, we'll see you guys next time.